Hey guys, it's Beardo from White Rock Dodge, and this is Poseidon. So, Poseidon started life as a 2023 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon in Hydro Blue, whose paint code is PBJ, and I love me some PBJ. All of the install work was done professionally by Epic Adventure Outfitters, who are certified by America's Most Wanted for these engine conversions. And the crate came with everything needed to mate the 426 Hemi into the Wrangler, including a high-performance transmission, a new PCM, and a custom tune. To start, we needed to give this Wrangler a new hood. So we grabbed one from a Gladiator Mojave, which has the hood scoop for better airflow, and we color matched it into the same hydro blue that the Wrangler has on it. So underneath that Mojave hood is the venerable America's Most Wanted 426 Hemi conversion, producing an insane 606 horsepower and 575 foot-pounds of torque, which makes this easily one of the fastest Wranglers in all of Canada. Now, for wheels and tires, we went with these 17-inch custom painted fuel wheels and wrapped those suckers in Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs and 37 inches. And for extra stopping power, we went with Teraflex's Delta braking system, which are 4-piston, a lot of stopping power. Now, for the suspension components, Epic installed the tried and true 3.5-inch Teraflex lift with America's Most Wanted custom-tuned Falcon 3.3 adjustable shocks. You flick those onto firm when you're on-road and back to soft when you're off-road for a nice, comfortable ride and all the articulation in the world. Now, for some of the goodies that we've installed and the customer who purchased this unit has also decided to install on this truck. A custom decal, which imprinted on the inside you can see 606, giving homage to America's Most Wanted. On the hood, we have 426 Hemi badging on either side to let everybody know the immense amount of power under the hood. And the customer has decided to go with an EVO rock slider, 67 Designs phone mount, a ICOM UHF radio up front, and of course, a Goose Gear full kitchen setup in the rear. So Poseidon is our 5th build in partnership with Epic Adventure Outfitters and America's Most Wanted 4x4. And this unit is sold, but that doesn't mean that you can't spec out your own custom build using the link below, wrdperformance.com, or giving Epic Adventure Outfitters a call. Best part is, you can get everything, the engine conversion, the lift, and any other goodies you want wrapped up into one monthly payment. Remember, White Rock Dodge is the biggest retailer of lifted Jeep product and the exclusive partner with America's Most Wanted 4x4 in all of Canada. Thanks for watching. I'm Beardo. Take care.